Hey friends, this is Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder of She Makes Club, and I wanted to share with you a sweet little card today using the I Love Family kit from Echo Park. This is the kit that we're featuring and highlighting this month inside She Makes Club. So I wanted to do a card this week, and I'm going to show you a scrapbook layout next week, so make sure you tune in to next week's Tuesday tutorial for that. And then I also wanted to give you a sneak peek at the end of this video of what we have coming to feature for February. So I'm really excited about that. But let's dive in and make this really cute little card today. It's going to be really simple. You all know, if you've been watching me for any length of time, that I'm always about enjoying the moments. And I thought this was the cutest little tag. It says, cherishing every moment spent with you. Adorable picture, and the dandelion seeds in the background. So I thought this was going to be a really cute card to be able to just quickly make and share. I already cut my card base. It's 7.5 inches by 4.25 inches wide. And I think we're going to do it I'm not exactly sure which way we're going to do it yet. I'm really thinking we're going to do it this way, but I'm going to cut everything out and we'll make it together. But I wanted to show you, I didn't want to just do an A2 size card today. I wanted it to be a little bit different. I also love the I love you here. So there's so many options of different types of cards that you can make and scrapbook with this kit. We did some beautiful layouts already inside She Makes Club, and I'm absolutely in love with the little greeting cards we did as well. So there's, like I said, so many options for you to create and enjoy. And I'm just going to, I just love all of these. Like, it's so hard to choose which one to use. I'm going to trim this just a little bit further, because I left just a little bit of the other side on there, so that's fine. Cherishing every moment with you. And then I wanted to use some of the stickers from the page, and I really liked this little like Polaroid heart thing. I just thought it was so cute. So my thought was to maybe mat this with some craft cardstock. So let's see. We're gonna grab an ATG. And we have several ways to do this, but we're just going to kind of eyeball and play by ear here and see what we like as we go. And that's what's fun about being able to create. So I'm just going to trim this down to a size that I like by eyeballing it. Something kind of like this. And I want to grab my corner chomper. I'm going to round the corners. I'm going to do a 1/4 inch round on the craft. So just a tiny little round while the main base is still completely squared off. And then we're going to do a 1/2 inch round on the main card base all the way around. And I love this because it can chomp through multiple layers of cardstock, so it has no problems doing both layers of this card. All right, so what I'm thinking of doing here, ooh, actually this could be really cute, to take this little guy, we're gonna cut him in half. Not perfectly in half, but in half. Enough, and take a little piece and go up here, and I'm going to save this. I'm going to put this one down under here. I'm just going to set it aside. I'm going to just kind of stick it on the corner, but before I do that, I'm going to pull this guy off. We're going to cut this one as well. I absolutely love cutting apart my elements and stickers to be able to go on the page the way I want them to go. So let's just kind of eyeball and see here. Going this way, I want to cut it off from the back to make sure I get a smooth cut the way I want it. Perfect, easy. Love this. Okay, I need adhesive underneath here, so let me just lift and we'll do ATG. I was going to pop this up but having this come over top is kind of adorable. So I just need to make sure it lines up the way I want it to. So cute. And then I just want to trim off any place that it overhangs. I feel like there's still a little tiny up here. Just get that smooth. Easy. Okay. And then we're going to take this guy and put the adhesive all the way down so that it can come out through underneath the bottom, just like so. And then, let's see, we can go across the bottom this way and have it hang off the edge, but be underneath just enough. Oh my word, so stinking cute. Just like that. Okay. Oh my goodness, is this not adorable? Oh, you know what we can do? Even though we don't need more adhesive, we can tiny attach in like a little X pattern here. Let's see if we can reach down here enough. Can we reach across? Not quite. What would be the best way to do this? Just like that. Oh, how cute is that? Just to have little tiny attacher pieces on there. So cute. Okay, and then I just need a little bit more dimension, so I'm going to white enamel dots. Just one large one and a couple smaller ones. Right on down here. Just to give it just a little bit more pop. One here and one up here. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? So it's just a great little way to say I love you, I'm cherishing you, I care for you, I enjoy our time together, and just a great little reminder to say I love you. And it's really great to spend time with you. You can cover those tiny attachers in the back if you feel the need to. I don't mind seeing them there, but just so you know, you could just take a piece of, even if it's like the craft paper, and do a full strip. Again, this is 7.5 inches by 4 1/4, so you can really play inside and outside with the card. But that is going to be our Tuesday tutorial for today. I hope that you enjoyed. I would love to see you inside our She Makes Club, where we're telling stories. This month's focus was on family, and I promised you a quick sneak peek. Next month for February, we are talking love. And I picked up this Wedding Bliss at Echo Park kit that we're going to be using. But I don't want you to get thrown off by thinking wedding and thinking this is only bride and groom. There is some beautiful designs in here. The black and white stripe, polka dots, the beautiful soft blush pink, and even that gold, to just tell the story about how love is showing up in your life and how you want to show up and be love in 2020. So I'm really excited to tell some stories with this, to do some journaling, to do some planning, and have a really great February. But let's not forget, we still have one more layout and one more Tuesday tutorial for this January, so join me next week. Please subscribe and like. I would love to have you be part of our family here at By Megan Elizabeth and the She Makes Club. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy the moments. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.